Welcome to Quick Tips and Tricks, my YouTube channel, cooking channel. Today I am come up with Istoo, a recipe called stew or Istoo. In Kerala they say Istoo, and otherwise it is stew. So basically it's a vegetable stew. Today I am trying to make. If you love non-veg, then you can add non-veg to it. So I will show you the basic of it. So here we go. So I will tell you what vegetables you need, whatever of your choice. So this is what I am going to use. Cauliflower, one big cauliflower, or florets of cauliflower. Then we need some carrots. I use 4 carrots and beans of French beans of around 10 of French beans, 2 big onions and 2 big potatoes. And we need some dry spices like cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamoms, green cardamoms, around 15 peppercorns, and cloves around 5. Oil for frying. So here we go. And yes, you need coconut milk or fresh coconut milk or ready-made coconut milk. So I'll be using this coconut milk. Let's start. So we need oil for frying. Now this Istoo you can have with boiled rice or normal rice, or you can have it with bread, or you can have it with Kerala appam. So whichever you want to, you can do that. So now in this oil, let's put this, all the dry spices, Now in this Istoo or stew, you can even use boiled macaroni. I will show you the other part how you can do. So like in Goan stew, mostly we use macaroni or pastas. We boil the pastas and then we can add into that. Let's add onions. Let the flavor of the dry masalas get nicely together with onion. potatoes. Now we'll add our cauliflower. We say cauliflower. Over there you might be saying it cauliflower. Basically we say flower because it is like flower. Mix this nicely. Now we'll add our other vegetables. With a nice mix. Now we will add water to this. So around 5 cups of water I have used. So whatever it is like your measurement cup, so I have used 5. So let me put this. I have to nicely boil this vegetable. I will add to this my coconut milk. So if you have fresh coconut milk, you can use that too. I am using it now so that the coconut flavor goes inside the vegetables. mix this nicely. And I will add salt to taste. Salt is according to your taste. So I am putting 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of salt, but again it is according to your taste. So much of quantity is there, so you need this much salt. Now I will cover this. So I will cover this and let it get nicely cooked, the vegetables, and after that I will show you the next procedure of like I will be adding little bit of garam masala and curry leaves tadka to this, so I will show you that later. So hope you have understood the method. It's very simple, very easy, you must have seen. So thank you so much, and I will continue in few minutes regarding this stew. Here is my vegetable and that is Istoo. Vegetables are nicely boiled, nicely done, cooked. And now I will be adding to this two green chilies, just whole. You can use one or don't use it, but I am using 2 green chilies to this, and I will give I will fry a little garam masala with curry leaves. So I am taking coconut oil. You can use normal oil. Just to give the flavor. So here comes the oil. So I will add my curry leaves. And I will add 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. So I will be using average of garam masala powder to this. So it's 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Just fry this nicely. Masala. And add this to my Istoo. And done. Our Istoo is ready. So if you don't want this garam masala, then you can avoid this. You don't have to. It's basically your choice. So here we go, and our Istoo is ready. Now to this, you can eat this directly like this, and or with bread or what, appam or whatever. And like I mean to say, if you boil macaroni, and you can add macaroni to this. Okay. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, Quick Tips and Tricks, and be connected to my style journey. Thank you so much. Bye.